How to edit your own custom WhatsApp stickers. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create or edit your own custom sticker. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your WhatsApp app. Get logged into your WhatsApp account number, then tap on any chat that you would like to send the custom stickers to. As you do so, tap on the smiley icon at the bottom left. From these given options, tap onto the End option, and here tap on Create. It will open up your camera section. From there, select any picture that you would like. In order to edit this, tap on the pencil-like icon. You can also add another sticker on top of your sticker. To do that, tap on the sticker icon on your top right. Once you are satisfied, tap on to Send icon on your bottom right. And just like so, this is how it will look like to the other person. And that is how you can do it. That will be the end of today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated and thank you for watching.